Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're just starting to dip your toes into the world of Medicare, I want to take a second and completely validate whatever it is you're feeling right now. Seriously, it can absolutely feel like you're trying to learn a totally new language, right? Between the endless acronyms, the strict enrollment periods, and that absolute mountain of junk mail that magically appeared in your mailbox the second you turned 64, the whole system can just feel incredibly overwhelming. But take a deep breath. You are absolutely not meant to figure this all out on your own.
And it's really crucial that we address this overwhelm right out of the gate because, frankly, the stakes here are pretty high. We aren't just talking about filling out some annoying paperwork. We're talking about your health and your financial security. Making a mistake when you're choosing a plan, missing a critical enrollment deadline, or just not knowing how to handle a coverage denial, those things can have real, lasting impacts. If you feel like you're standing at a massive crossroads without a map, you need a guide. And that is exactly what we're going to give you today.
Here is our roadmap for today. First, navigating the Medicare maze. Second, what is a SHIP counselor? Third, how counselors can help you. Fourth, finding a Michigan counselor. And finally, next steps and disclaimer.
Section 1. Navigating the Medicare maze.
Okay, let's jump right in. Whether you are turning 65 and looking at your options for the very first time, maybe you're a younger adult with a qualifying disability, someone managing end-stage renal disease, or even a caregiver trying to help a loved one navigate all this, you are in the right place. Every single day, people face these exact same confusing hurdles. Maybe you're agonizing over original Medicare versus a Medicare Advantage plan. Maybe you're pulling your hair out trying to figure out which Part D prescription plan actually covers your specific meds. Or maybe you're staring at a Medicare summary notice and have absolutely no idea what it's trying to tell you. Or worse, you need to file an appeal for a denial or you think you might have just been targeted by a scammer. These are incredibly common hurdles, and they literally scream for a knowledgeable guide to help you out.
Section 2. What is a SHIP counselor?
So let's talk about the solution to all of this. The answer to every hurdle we just listed is a program you might not have even known existed. It's called SHIP, and it's basically the hero of our Medicare journey. It stands for the State Health Insurance Assistance Program. It's a state and federally funded program. Specifically, in Michigan, it gets its funding from the Administration for Community Living, or the ACL, and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Now, what does all that fancy federal and state funding actually mean for you? It means this service, this expert, one-on-one, confidential Medicare counseling, is completely 100% free to you. No hidden fees, no nothing.
Now listen up, because this is perhaps the most important thing you'll hear today. There is a massive, critical distinction between a SHIP counselor and an insurance broker or agent. SHIP counselors are strictly educators and advocates. That's it. They do not sell insurance, they do not endorse any specific insurance products, and they have absolutely zero affiliation with the insurance industry. This guarantees that the advice you're getting is completely objective, unbiased, and focused entirely on what is best for your health and your wallet.
But there is a slight catch with the terminology depending on where you are, and I want to clear this up so you don't get turned around when you start searching. While it's known nationally as SHIP, in the state of Michigan, you're frequently going to see it called MAMAP, which stands for the Michigan Medicare/Medicaid Assistance Program. And more recently, you'll also see it operating under the umbrella name MI Options. So if you see SHIP, MAMAP, or MI Options in Michigan, just know they are all the exact same incredible free service.
Section 3. How counselors can help you. So, how do you actually use these folks? Let's talk about the practical, boots-on-the-ground ways they provide help. SHIP counselors can tackle a huge variety of issues. If you need enrollment assistance, they'll literally sit down with you, review your options, and make sure your coverage actually fits your life. They can get into the weeds of Part D prescription coverage to make sure your pharmacy and your meds are covered at the lowest possible cost. Got a coverage denial? They can help you file a first-level appeal. They're also specially trained to spot and report Medicare fraud and scams. And if you happen to have both Medicare and Medicaid, they can help you coordinate those benefits so everything works seamlessly.
And here's another huge benefit of working with a counselor: finding you money. If you're on a limited income, a SHIP counselor can actually help you apply for specific financial assistance programs. For example, they can help you apply for something called Extra Help, also known as the Low-Income Subsidy, which can drastically lower your prescription drug costs. They can also screen you for Medicare savings programs, which are set up to help pay your Medicare Part B premiums and other expenses. They aren't just giving advice, they are actively helping you unlock real savings.
Section 4. Finding a Michigan counselor.
All right, let's get down to business. This is the most actionable part of this explainer.
We know what SHIP is, we know why it's a game changer, so let's walk through exactly how to reach these experts in Michigan. It's super simple. Step 1, before you even pick up the phone, gather your documents. Grab your red, white, and blue Medicare card and jot down a quick list of all your current prescription meds and their dosages. Step 2, you're going to call the central state line to request an appointment. And step 3, that central system is going to connect you directly with a trained counselor at an agency right in your own community.
Okay, grab a pen because here is the single biggest takeaway today. The massive, unmissable, toll-free MI Options helpline for Michigan is 1-800-803-7174. When you call this number, you're plugging straight into that statewide network of highly trained, unbiased Medicare counselors.
Now, if for some reason you can't get through, or if you're just more comfortable using community referral services, you can also just dial 211 on your phone. The 211 operators in Michigan are totally equipped to connect you with your local SHIP or MMAP program.
And the really cool thing is when you call that main 800 number, you aren't just being routed to some faceless national call center. The system routes you to incredible local partner organizations embedded right in your specific county or region. Depending on where you live in Michigan, your counselor might be sitting right down the road at your local area agency on aging. If you're up north, it could be the Disability Network Northern Michigan. Down in the Detroit area, you might get connected through the Detroit Area Agency on Aging or the Senior Alliance. Over in West Michigan, it might be the 4-Point Center for Successful Aging. These are literally your neighbors, and they are specially trained to help you.
Of course, for those of you who prefer doing things online, rather than making a phone call, you can always visit the official state website at michigan.gov/MDHHS-MI-options. You'll find a ton of info there and resources to easily schedule a counseling session in your area.
Section 5. Next steps and disclaimer.
Let's wrap this up. I want to reassure you one last time with this direct quote straight from the program guidelines. It says, counselors are unbiased and are not connected with any insurance company or licensed to sell insurance. Please internalize that. In a world where it feels like literally everyone is trying to sell you something, this is a safe, free, and completely unbiased resource designed 100% for your benefit. They are just there to help you understand your options so you can make the absolute best choice for yourself.
And as a quick professional reminder, this explainer is strictly for educational purposes. We're handing you the tools to go find help, but we are not providing personalized Medicare advice right now. Because every single person's health needs, medications, and financial situations are totally unique, you absolutely must speak directly with a certified SHIP counselor in Michigan to get advice that fits your specific situation.
So I'm going to leave you with one final empowering question. Which number are you going to call today to take control of your Medicare journey? Are you going to dial 1-800-803-7174? Or are you going to dial 211? The help is free, the advice is unbiased, and these experts are waiting in your local community right now. Please don't let the Medicare maze overwhelm you for even one more day. Pick up the phone, get the guidance you deserve, and take back control of your healthcare.